Hi and welcome to Luscombe Suzuki in Leeds, where it's just clouding over a bit, but the sun will come out once you've seen this car that we're offering. It's a 1767 Suzuki Vitara SZ4. It's coming part exchange. It was sold and it's been fully maintained by us. Yes, it's got full Suzuki dealer service by Luscombe's. Now, you've seen the price. These Suzuki Vitaras on the used market, once you get sub £10,000, they are flying off. And this one will be no different. Why, you ask? Because they're great value for money. The cars are NCAP 5-star. They're an SUV. They're comfy, they're safe, they're reliable. On this one, as you can see, the previous customers paid extra to have reverse parking sensors put on for ease of parking. It's got the silver roof bars. It's got the alloy wheels. And I love on the colour how the arch is done in the black. It just makes it stand out, the lines and everything. Before you take delivery of the car, it will come with a 12-month MOT. It will come serviced, all done by our factory trained technicians, of which I'll mention a bit later on, so please keep listening. So let's show you inside the car. The car has wide opening doors. It's easy to get in and out of for anybody, and this is, I think, more truthful. We sell a lot on the Motability scheme where people are looking for ease of getting in and out. So once we look in the car, we can see it's spacious in the front, spacious in the back, and as you can see, it's got the Isofix fittings, so nice and safe for all your little passengers. Once we get in, the headroom as well. So in the car we have our radio CD, it's a DAB. We have climate control. We have a USB, of which is great because you can either charge your phone, stream your music through it. You have a multi-function steering wheel, radio controls. You've got your Bluetooth, so you can keep in contact with your friends and family on your journey. Over here, you've got your cruise control with a limiter. So hopefully it'll stop you getting any fines on the motorway when you go from your 70s to your 50s and you're not fully concentrating. Just keep the limiter on. So that's the car. As I say, I don't think it'll last long because these are flying out. Now what I would like you to do is click onto the car now website at luscombes.co.uk. Go to the car, have a look at the other 52 photos we've got on. But please have a look at the technician's appraisal video. What it is, when a car comes in, before we do anything with it, the technicians get it and they have a look underneath, under the bonnet, the diagnostics, the brake disc pads and the tyres. And they show you this on the video, so you will get a great understanding of what the car is truly like before it comes on our forecourt. Or, if we don't think it's good enough for a forecourt because of the technician's appraisal, we'll send it to auction. So we make sure that you're getting the best value for money car you can buy. So have a look at that, give us a call, arrange to come down and see it, have a test drive, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.